We are very much aware about doing regular exercise and remaining fit. We also understand the importance of eating healthy and nutritious. But still, we fail to follow it rigorously every day, every time. The reason is availability of raw, bland, tasteless foods under the name of healthy alternatives. Now forget those boring things and enhance nutrition of your regular meal using Banamin's healthy alternative. Banamin's low GI gluten-free clean food products provide balanced nutrition, satisfies almost 25 to 45% requirement of your daily major nutrients. It has only natural ingredients, contains no preservatives, chemicals. It tastes like regular meals and snacks, and most important, they are suitable for everyone in family. Banamin's food products also helps in fat burning, helps to improve your digestion metabolism. They are 100% suitable for diabetic people because of the low GI nature. They keep you energetic and cheerful throughout the whole day, and most important, they are excellent alternative for athletes, fitness enthusiasts who want to have healthy food. Low GI gluten-free atta, a gluten-free flour which is a healthy alternative for wheat and all-purpose flours. It provides more than 20% daily requirement of major nutrients. It's an excellent option for weight loss, fitness and diabetic people. It contains banana, peas, beans and it does not contain any starch and gums. Gluten-free low GI idli mix, very high in protein, fibers and providing greater than 30% daily requirement of major nutrients. It does not contain rice, starch. Anytime meal snack option, ideal breakfast option and very good option for people who are looking for weight loss, fitness and diabetic people. Contains banana, beans, peas, cabbage, guava, sapota. Low GI gluten-free uttapam mix, very high in protein, fibers, provide more than 35% daily requirement of nutrients. It's an excellent for weight loss, fitness and diabetic people. It gets ready in 15 minutes, ideal breakfast and post-workout meal option for fitness lovers. It contains banana, legumes, beans, peas, cabbage, sapota. So include Banamin's healthy options in your daily routine today itself. Take a step towards delicious, tasty and healthy lifestyle by choosing Banamin's low GI, gluten-free, clean label food products every time, every day, every meal. Let your affair with food begin once again.